Paper is always set from NCERT. Paper setter has always NCERT book. So you should have the equations. Paper is always set from NCERT book. So you must do all the equations, graphs and examples that are given in NCERT book. I give you one example of gamma decay. Gamma decay cobalt nickel energy band diagram is given in the NCERT along with the energies of gamma ray photons. So once this question was asked in the paper as such with specific example of cobalt nickel. You must have done other examples of lead bismuth and other examples, but this example they have the right to set in the question paper, that is given in the NCERT. Take care of time management while attempting the paper. You can start from section D, from 5 marks question, and do the paper in order. A little bit order may be disturbed if you don't know the answer of a particular question. You can attempt in the end, but otherwise order should be retained. The paper checker would be happier. Don't annoy the paper checker by putting the wrong question numbers also. And you can devote about 45 minutes for attempting 5 marks questions, 45 minutes again for attempting section C, that is for 3 marks questions, 30 minutes for section B, that is 2 marks questions, and 30 minutes for attempting section A, that is for attempting one word answer and MCQs questions. So still you will have 30 minutes left. In that time you can review the questions, you can revise the questions, and you have left some space for unattempted questions. You can try those questions in the end. Thank you. Now the generally asked questions in the paper are devices. Devices like cyclotron, transformer, moving coil galvanometer, AC generator, then compound microscope, astronomical telescope. These devices are usually asked. Earlier they were asked in 5 marks questions, but now we find in 3 marks questions. And in 5 marks questions we find the questions like electric flux, electrostatic potential, energy, etc. Other important topics that are commonly asked in board exams are the Gauss's theorem, then electrostatic field intensity at a point on axial line of dipole, equatorial line of dipole, torque acting, potential energy stored in an electric dipole in a uniform electric field. Then we have diode as a rectifier, and you can't leave other topics of wave optics. You can't leave interference derivations, constructive and destructive interference conditions, fringe width. You can't leave Huygens principles, diffraction at a single slit experiment, show that light waves are transverse in nature through polarization, Brewster's law, Malus law, numericals are usually asked. You can't leave Kirchhoff's laws, numericals even. And usually the numericals are spherical refracting surfaces, binding energy curve, Davison-Germer experiments are very important. And you can't leave diodes and its types this time because transistor has been deleted from the syllabus. And one thing for the slow learners I want to say that you need only 23 marks to pass through, and very easily you can score these marks. 5 marks questions are usually very easy. You can attempt and get 15 marks in that, and 20 questions this time are of 1 mark. So if you score 20 marks and 15 marks, total 35 marks are there with you directly, and something you will attempt from 2 mark section and 3 mark section also. So it's very easy to pass through this time. So all the best for your exam. I hope you will get benefited from my video. Thank you.